today in foreign language are phrases that you can use at Thanksgiving. Like today's phrase is, do you want to help me cook? We're going to try out this phrase in Mandarin, Chinese, and you can try it out with us or just watch us try. If you already have the $35 phrase book, you can find this in the app under See and then Cook. You ready to try it, Darian? All right, here we go. And we don't speak Chinese, so we're just going to do our best.
你
想
要
帮
我
我
做饭吗？
All right, now the native speaker is going to say the full phrase. I'm just going to listen because it's a new phrase for me. And if you're just starting a language, you can just listen to the full phrase as well and just have fun with the word by word until it gets really easy. Here we go.
你想要帮我做饭吗？
You got pretty close. You hit some of those. I heard that. That was a good first try. And that's how we like to keep things positive. I hope you have fun with this free phrase of the day calendar. DM or comment to get this week's Thanksgiving calendar.